So we are going back to our SQL questions. So we are planning to solve this one, but for this one we need to access the uh, l- leading rows and lagging rows. I mean, if you are selecting one row here, you need to have access to these rows and also these rows. That can be possible with the window functions, SQL window function. So we can learn that SQL window function on this video, and if possible, we can go to our SQL question. So lead and lag are window function in SQL used to access data from preceding or following rows within a result set based on a specified ordering. CTE is nothing. CTE is common table expression. This we already use with the statement. So it says temporary named result. So retrieve a value from a subsequent rows within a result set defined by an order specified in the order by clause. Lead expressions offset default. So the column expression to retrieve from the following row, offset number of rows to look ahead. So default to one. So default it will look only one rows ahead, and there is a default also value to return if there is nothing. So in the case of first rows, uh, in the case of last rows, what you need to be in that place if there is no lead rows available. Lag also work in the same way, but it's in the opposite direction. So that's fine. Common table expression. A temporary name results defined within a SQL query. So that's we already did with the CT name in your query you are using here, and you are using that's in the select statement. So based on the all of these, I guess we can go to the previous example itself, because that has schema for us to go through this result. So I guess that's the best option. We are going back to our question. So we need to find all the numbers that appear at least three times consecutively, return the result table in any order. Okay, so that appear at least three times. So it should be three times consecutively. So that's why we need lead, lag, and also city. So we can go to the solutions. So lead number one, lead number two, lead number one, lead number two, lag number one, lag number two, lead number one, lead number two from logs. Okay, we can go to the solution. So we need to take the SQL schema first. So everything is done here. So CTE common. So what was that name? Common table expression. So we are using that common table expression right now. So with the lead tags or something like that. With the CTE, we'll give the name CTE. Then inside that one, I need to write the select statement. Select. Probably I will make it into the new line. Then we are using the lag window function. So basically there will be a question, what is window function? So that probably we can discuss later. Anyway, before we are completing all of these things, there will be some sessions to go through all of this. So I will make a note of that. So here by ID, so this will be the previous one. Okay, so this will be the previous number. So here you got one previous number, the second previous number, you got by changing this one into the 2, so previous number 2, and in the same way you need to do the lead one. So lead one, this one, next number, I put it as next number, and I will copy that one. I will copy and paste it here, next number 2. So we have all these things, and we need the from. So the name is logs. So we did this with the CTE from logs. Then we need the select. So we have some issues here that I know. Then in the same sentence here, you need to use these things. So select distinct number from CTE common table expression, where, so here is the thing. So you need to, what you can provide here. So num is a number. So num is a number. Number is equal to previous number. Okay. And previous number equal to previous number 2. In this case, what happened? So number, previous number, previous number. Okay. So that, okay, right now, or previous number is equal to number, and number is equal to next number. This is also possible. So previous number is equal to number, number is equal to next number. And one more condition. That's number is equal to next number, and next number is equal to next number 2. So right now we have all these conditions, and let's see whether it's gonna work. So you got one. Probably that's not be the case. So consecutive nums, that's the one we need. So just make some modification here. So where I need to put the distinct, yeah, as consecutive numbers. So let's copy copy this one and copy here, run this one 161 minutes. So only thing you need to know these things. So lag, lead, and CTE. CTE we already discussed, so nothing new. And all of these conditions. So whenever a scenario is coming like this, so if I am here in this number, I have a possibility for all these three will be, or these three will be, or these three will be. This all include this number. So that's why we are taking four, two lag and two leads. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. So that's lag lead. Oh, okay. One more thing. Maybe we can discuss what is window functions. Since this video we have time. Window functions in SQL. Window functions in SQL are a powerful set of functions that operate on a set of rows within a result set defined by a window clause. They allow us to perform calculation, aggregation, or comparison that operate on a set of rows within a result set defined by a Windows clause. They allow us to perform calculation, aggregation, or comparison. Some count and return a single value for entire group of window function. Consider each row specific to that row. That's the window function. Consider each row within a window and return a value specific to that row. It's not an aggregate function. That's they are telling. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.